Hey guys, this is HP Deskjet 2710-2700. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. This video tutorial is applicable to HP Deskjet 2600, 2700, 2800. What you need to do is, first of all, you need to put the printer in a wireless mode. You need to press the Wi-Fi button and cancel button together for 5 seconds. Press and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see the printer is now flashing. Then give the printer time. The Wi-Fi button is flashing, and this printer now is in a wireless mode. Now I want to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Depending on the gadget you want to use, you can connect this printer using your mobile device or connect it with your laptop. In this case, we want to connect it with a mobile device. What you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store, type HP Smart App. HP Smart App. This is HP Smart App. Download it on your mobile phone, then open it up. This is HP Smart App. Then go to the top and select plus. You will see this page. Choose a printer to add. New printer or printer already on the network. If it's a printer already on the network, then you select the second option. In this case, we want to connect this printer new, so select the first option. Then you choose Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So select Wi-Fi network, then select continue. Then select continue. Turn Bluetooth on, select continue. HP Smart App is asking to turn Bluetooth on, select allow. And it picked up the printer. Deskjet 2700 series is found. Then you need to select on the printer, just gently tap on it to select on the printer, and it will show you the network, connect printer to Wi-Fi network. So it will show you the Wi-Fi network. So what you need to do now is we need to put the information. Sometimes people ask, where do you get the password for the Wi-Fi? We get the password for the Wi-Fi network from the back of your network router. So I'm going to put the information, then we'll go from there. So after you put the information, then the next thing you need to do, you need to select continue. Printer is found. Preparing the printer. Press and release the flashing information button on your printer. After releasing, please wait. Then you go to the printer and press this once, information button. Now what it's doing now is preparing the printer. Printer is prepared. Obtaining an IP address. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network. It will show you the Wi-Fi network that is connected. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network. Then you select continue. And if you look on the printer, the Wi-Fi light that was flashing earlier on is no longer flashing. The light is steady blue. So now it's checking the printer status. Select accept all. Then it will tell you to load the paper. So open up the paper tray, load the paper that you want to use, then adjust it. Then you scroll to the side, select continue, select continue. Your printer automatically ship ink, then select do not enable, skip offer. You have auto update. You can select automatic update required or notify me, then select apply. Print test page, select print test page, select print. Welcome, bienvenue. So this is to show you that this printer is working. Then the next thing to do, then you select not right now, send the link, not right now. This is the printer here. It will show you the printer and ink level. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network and print out the test page. After you connected this printer to Wi-Fi network with your mobile phone, if you want to add it to your laptop, what you need to do is you need to go to your laptop settings, select printers and scanners. Then you select add a device. And once you select add a device, it will start to search for available printer, and it picked up HP Deskjet 2700 series. Then you select add. And now it's connecting. Installing the printer driver, and it's showing us ready. If you want to print a test page, then you select the printer, showing us idle, print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP Deskjet 2700 series to the laptop. Video tutorial is applicable to HP Deskjet 2600 series, 2700 series, 2800 series. If you want to scan document, you select scanner, open up scanner, then you put the document that you want to scan. For instance, on the glass scanner, face down, then you select scan. This document is scanned. Open it up, select view to see the document. This is the document we scanned. If you want to print it out, you select print. Select portrait. And it's A4 paper, plain paper. Select more. If you select more, it gives you option for you to select the color mode. And document output is normal, main tray. Then you select OK. Then select print. This is the document we scanned and printed it out using Windows Scanner. I want to show you how to add this printer using HP Smart App. So if you go to your Microsoft Store on your computer, type HP Smart App. This is HP Smart App. It's already downloaded on my computer. Download it on your computer, then open it up. This is HP Smart App. Then select add a device. Go to the left side, select add and set up a printer. Now it will start to search for available printer. It picked up HP Deskjet online. Then you select on it. And the printer is now showing us ready. This is HP Smart App. So it will show you the printer. The printer will position itself on the center of the app. So HP Deskjet 2700 series. And also will show you estimated ink level. From this app, you can print document, scan document, mobile fax, shortcut, printable, print photo, and go to printer settings. So this is how to add this printer to your laptop. After you connected it to Wi-Fi network with your mobile device, you can also print document, scan document from your computer to this printer. Thank you very much indeed.